Okay, full disclosure. Antenna installed, but I started at 3:40. It took me 11 minutes. Hang on.
No, I don't know what you can see out here. I can't see anything but a black rectangle in front of my face. So I'm going to have to point out my failure. I'll point in the general direction. You come out here and the screen on this Android phone goes completely black. It cost me a minute because I neglected to include, to grab on my way out of the garage, a rope to put tension on my antenna on the last tower. The last antenna tower. We'll call that Tower Zulu. Anyway, man, I had to run back in the garage and grab a piece of rope because we had some saggage of the wire, right? We had wire saggage, and it cost me a minute, and I failed. I failed my subscribers miserably. It took me 11 minutes to install this miserable shit hits the fan. Real world implementation of an end-fed half-wave antenna wire, okay? I love, caught a little bit of hair action there. Let's walk the wire. Let's walk the wire. My 11-minute antenna. There was a bit of madness for 10 minutes too, because I'm soaked with sweat. Let's go see where it, what the analyzer says. Hang on. Now I'm confused. Things are not going well. Yeah, things are not going well. Man, I couldn't find resonance anywhere near a ham band. Okay. Help and advice for some of you newer hams. Don't let your old man catch you doing a tape job like that. Yeah. Let's see what that does. Hey. Whew. I think I'll take it. Let's see. Let's see. It's a phone contest. What should I do? Yeah. No. Hang on. I'm gonna go out and pull another 6 inches off. Yeah. I'm ready. Yeah. Focus. Hello, Little Schmoe. You ready for the show? Let's go.